Shore Sports here with Gregory Palmer. You must feel bad in some sense and feel good in some sense, playing a big team such as Mount Pleasant, really scoring a goal on them and really holding them out for a long period of time. And the other hand, giving up us 2 soft goals. What's your take on the game?
I mean, there's a lot of positive to take out of the game. We scored our first goal in the Premier League, right? We defended well for 78 minutes. The red card changed the dynamic of the game. After the red card, we just couldn't keep back that shape in defense and shape in the midfield. So the red card kind of changed the dynamic of the game. But I mean, Faulkland gave a good account of themselves. I must take my hats off to them. We're saying that we're going to get back up, lots of goals going to score, and that didn't happen,
I think the changes really helped the team into the second half.
You have youngsters in the team, they are training, right? Your senior players tired. You must make changes. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. But I mean, they're getting the exposure, so they have to learn from this.
What do you think about the referee performance?
I mean, the referee had some questionable calls, right? But that is just the nature of the game. Even in the English league, yesterday was stuff happen. We just have to learn now to play and continue to play despite anything that should happen. Referee calls.
What about the fitness of the Faulkland team?
We started training late. Some Mount Pleasant been training before us. We still have to work on the physical conditioning, right? We got our physical trainer now, so some of the pressure can come off the other coaching staff, and we work more on technical ability, technical and tactical ability.
I thank you very much, Coach, and I hope you continue to do the good work done by Faulkland and bring the team up and beat up some of these big teams.
Yeah, man, definitely.
All right.
All right, thank you very much.